Hi, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. My returning subscribers, thanks for always tuning into this channel. And my new subscribers, you're all welcome. It's really been a while, guys. Like, I've been so busy in my store. I'm so sorry for not be posting. I'm so sorry, guys. So in this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to do how to relock cowries dread. Yes, that's what Yoruba people call that lower. So if you are watching this video, watch from the beginning to the end so that you won't miss any single step of doing it. So first thing, you need to wash the hair. After washing it, you go ahead and you begin to separate the dread. As you can see what I'm doing on your screen, make sure you separate it gently because this dread can be so painful. So while you're trying to separate it, you undo it with care. So guys, that's how you keep going with this lovely thread. After you are done separating it, that's when you are ready to relocate, but please make sure you undo it with care. Like, this dread is a kind of dread that is very painful. So what you are trying to separate is, like I said earlier, make sure you undo it with care. Yes, so after that, you go ahead and you begin to relocate, and that's exactly what I'm trying to do here. So make sure you secure the remaining one before you begin to work on the part that you want to relock, as you can see. So now I'm about to relock it. So make sure you apply your wax so that you'll be able to part it from the down to make it neat. After parting it, then you begin to use your crochet pin just to relock it to make it beautiful. Can you see, guys? That's how you keep going. Then after relocking it from the roots, you use your hand to lock it very well by applying your wax. Then after that, you trim the tip, you trim it off, then make sure you wrap it very well. That's how you keep going, guys. Like, I'm almost done. I just want to show you guys how to do this particular dread. In case you have a client that have this type of dread, so you'll be able to undo it very well. So guys, see the ones I've done so far. So I'm almost done. This is the last part that I'll be doing. Please, if this video is helpful to you guys, give this video a big thumbs up, share this video to your friends and family, and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section if you enjoy watching this tutorial. Thank you so much, guys. So this is the last part that I'll be relocking. Can you see, guys? So while you are trying to pass your crochet pin, you have to do it with care. Yes, you have to do it with care. Can you see, guys? So this particular dread doesn't have any parts before. Like, I tried to create a part on it by making the roots beautiful. It's a kind of dread that they use foam to lock. So can you see? Just take your time. This particular dredge, like, if you want to relock it, it will actually take your time. Yes, to really take your time. It's not something you can rush and do because it's painful. Then you need to handle it with care. Can you see, guys? So after cutting it, in case you find it so difficult to cut, you can use scissors, like, to separate it. You just have to be careful while you're trying to use scissors. Yes, you have to be very careful. So it's something you can use scissors to do as well. Then after that, you just use your hand to lock it very well. Then you trim the tips off. Can you see? So after, when you are done with this locking of it in, you go ahead and you apply your spray gel. I'm trying to spray it, is not coming out. Then I try to open it and put it in my hand, then rub it thoroughly. Then you use your hand to arrange it very well, lock it to make it smooth and blend. And that's all. After applying your styling gel, like your spray gel, you go ahead and you apply mousse. And that's all about this lovely tutorial. Thank you so much, guys. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comment section if you guys enjoy watching this video. Share to your friends and family. Can you see, guys? So make sure you apply enough mousse. Then you use your hand to lock it very well. You can also use your hand dryer to dry it out. And this is the final look. Can you see, guys? Can you see? The down is so neat. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.